Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. Of course, this morning, we're going to discuss exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red this morning. Dow futures are down 0.24%, S&P 500 futures down 0.23%, and NASDAQ futures currently down 0.22%. This decline in the market follows some disappointing news from China as their economy slowed more than expected in July, and as news headlines focus on the Taliban taking control in Afghanistan. Pfizer has received FDA approval for a tick-borne encephalitis vaccine. Tickovac is the only vaccine approved by the FDA to protect individuals from the TBE virus when living in or visiting TBE endemic areas. TBE is a viral infection of the spine and brain, and humans can get it through the bite of an infected tick. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is likely to provide recommendations on the use of Tickovac. Furthermore, it is currently available in Europe. Following huge growth this past year, the Pfizer stock is currently rated a hold by analysts with an average downside of about 7.74%. Health and wellness company XSPA Group announced that their subsidiary has received approval to go ahead with biosurveillance monitoring in collaboration with the CDC at 3 major U.S. airports. With a value of $2 million, the program will span over 8 weeks and will be initially conducted from India. The CEO of XSPA Group said that the program is being designed to help track the influx of new SARS-CoV-2 variants and create a mechanism to be deployed against infectious diseases going forward. Following the launch of this CDC-backed biosurveillance program, they aim to further expand the relationship and extend the program into all U.S. major international airports. With just one analyst rating from 3 months ago, this stock does come in as a moderate buy with an upside potential of 100%. Hyatt Hotels has signed an agreement to acquire travel conglomerate Apple Leisure Group in a deal worth $2.7 billion. The Apple Leisure Group has a resort brand management platform called AM Resorts that offers management services under the AMR Collection brand portfolio. It has more than 33,000 rooms in 10 nations. The acquisition, which is expected to be completed in the fourth quarter, will include ALG Vacations' travel distribution business, Unlimited Vacation Club membership offering, and ALG's travel technology assets and destination management services. The Hyatt stock is rated a hold currently with an average upside of over 10%. And Willis Towers has signed an agreement to sell their reinsurance broking business to Arthur J. Gallagher. Willis Towers will get a total upfront cash payment of $3.25 billion from the sale, as well as a milestone payment of up to $750 million in cash in 2025. Their CEO said that following the termination of the proposed combination with Aon plc, we've been taking time to reflect on what we've learned about Willis Towers over the last 16 months. We concluded that divestment was the appropriate path for this business and for Willis Towers. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside just shy of 14%. Now moving over to some notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we're expecting to hear from companies like Roblox, Tencent, and CleanSpark. And as we get later into the week, we'll be hearing from some big names like Walmart, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Nvidia. We recently heard from Jessica Alba's company, The Honest Company, which shared their first quarterly earnings report since their IPO in May. Shares of the stock plunged 28% following disappointing results. They reported a quarterly loss of 23 cents per share, much higher than the street's estimated loss of 18 cents per share. And their revenue climbed 3% year over year to $74.58 million, but missed the consensus estimates of $78.3 million. According to the company, revenue was hampered primarily by one of its key digital partners cutting inventory in consumables to stock up on other products for a major promotional event. Analysts seem optimistic about future potential as they do rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 64%. We also heard from Green Power, whose revenue did come in short of analyst expectations. While their revenue was up 17% year over year to $2.66 million, it was well below analyst expectations of $4.6 million. The company has tripled its inventory levels and now has more than 300 vehicles completed or in various stages of development. The company said that an uptick in sales in the second half of the year should bolster its top line. Analysts currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 116%. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Enlivex Therapeutics. Under the ticker ENLV, they're currently up nearly 24%, followed by Travere Therapeutics under TVTX, currently up 21.5%, and Surgalign Holdings under SRGA, currently up 17%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by China Finance Online. Under the ticker JRJC, they're currently down 44%. They're followed by Sesen Bio under SESN, down over 14%, and UWM Holding under UWMC, down 9%. So that'll be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great Monday, and I will see you back here next time.